To teach fractions, we have seen how to teach that using numbers. How to teach that using shapes? Let us see that now. Now, this is a circle and square. How can we use this? We have such material. This is 1 by 4, a quarter. This is 1 by 3. This is a full. This is half. This is 1 by 10. Similarly, we can use the same shape in squares. This is half. This is 1 by 4th. In different ways we can teach them fractions. How do we make this in the school or at home? How do we ask them to do it? If we have to show fraction in shapes, we are using this material. This is commonly available paper plate. This is 1. What is the half of it? When I fold it, what I get here is half. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. When I add these two, it is 1 whole. In the same way, I make 1 by 4. I'm dividing it into 4 parts. So, this is 1 by 4. This is the second part, the third part, and the fourth part. All put together, we get 1 full. Similarly, I can make 5, 6, I can make 10 parts. I want to color this half. Let me use blue. When I use this blue portion, what part is it? Let me write it. It is the half of 1. Where is the half? Let us write it. Now we should cut it into half. When we watch it, we can see 2 halves. Similarly, how can we display 1 by 4? We can do it like this, right? When I cut a plate into 4 equal parts, I get quarters. Similarly, how do I cut it into 5 equal parts? We can see that here. These are 5 equal parts of the same. Whatever is the fraction we wish to teach children, all that can be cut on this plate. 1 by 3. This is how we show 1 by 3. We can cut all equal fractions on this. Likewise, how to show fractions on the square shape? Let us see that now. Normally, we use drawing sheet which is available in any stationery shop. First, let us make a TLM, means using square shape, how fraction can be taught. We are duplicating the same on a drawing sheet by cutting this. Now I have cut them into equal shapes. This is half. Like this, I can make it into half like this. just two equal parts. I can fold it like this also. These two parts are also equal. This is also half. What happens if the children do it? I have cut it into half. I have folded it in a different way, but this is also half. Half is done. Now 1/4. How can we do this? We can do it this way. Now this has 4 equal parts. Similarly, we can cut it into 4 in a different way. This is half. Now half of this is also half. I have folded like this exactly. Now if I see, I get 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, I can cut it using a pair of scissors. Now I have 2 halves. And if I cut this here, I get 2 equal parts. Likewise, I can make equal parts of the square I have. Different equal parts have been cut. I can color them. This is 1. This is 1 of the 2. If I add these two, I get 1 full. This is 1/2 and this is 1/4. I have cut this into 4 equal parts. Similarly, we can make 1/8. 1 square can be cut into 8 equal parts. This is how it is. We can use a cardboard and we can stick it there because this is a very thin drawing sheet. Children may use it once or twice, but for the entire year, if they have to use it for 1 full year, it is better to stick it on a cardboard. It will last longer.